Coconut Crunch is one of our top selling paleo granolas. It is grain-free and the base of the granola is coconut chips. All the ingredients again are organic, non-GMO and gluten-free, and the whole line is also vegan. If you can see here, we can see some of the really delicious ingredients that are in here, with the big coconut chips being the base of this granola. There's also sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sweetened cranberries, which are sweetened with apple juice, and almonds, cashews, sesame seeds, and Vermont maple syrup.